Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good
Hello.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good
Hello.
evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good
Say
evening.
something. Good evening.
I wanted to show something.
Sure. Wow, congratulations. Wow, this is for, I can only
NOF.
think champions. This is for,
NOF Champions League.
oh, what was that for?
Maths.
Oh my God, congratulations. So proud of you, Samriddhi. Keep it up. When did you get that?
Today itself.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Say Vedan.
I just wanted to congratulate Samriddhi.
Thank you guys. Chat box is
Congratulations.
open. You can congratulate her. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll also start. What did we do last class? Let's see. Good evening, Ryanshi. Good evening, Manvik. Okay.
Time and money.
Time and money. Thank you, Bhumik. So, okay. Not Bhumik. This was Arnav. Thank you, Arnav. So, time and money is what we'll be doing right now. Exercise discussion, if you have any. And wait a second. We just started a bit of time, right? We have not done money yet. So, we'll complete that. Yeah, Parth. Sure. Done. Thank you, ma'am, for informing. All right. So, let's go. Thank you so much, everyone, for wishing Samriddhi. We will now go to Adya. Which test, Adya? Very good, Janvi. Very nice.
Ma'am, it's mock test of decimal.
Oh, okay. That's great. All right. Fine then. Let's get started, okay, everyone? There we go. Hmm. Yes. Let's go. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah. So last class we just did the addition subtraction of time. We have not done anything more than that. So today we'll continue with that and complete it. Right. Mhm. Done. Let me share my screen. Samriddhi, your screen, I mean, your hands are still raised. You want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I think you all have messaged. So I'm closing the chat box now because now we will be getting the questions on the screen. Okay, thank you so much, everyone, on behalf of Samriddhi as well, that you people wished her. And congratulations to you, Samriddhi, all over again. This was the last question which we did together. You people remember last class?
Yes.
Yeah. So today we will talk about another point to be noticed, that is 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Okay. So tell me true or false if you have ever seen this before. I am going to write something on the screen, but for that you'll have to wait for 1 minute because I can't find my pencil. Yeah, I got it. Okay. See, I gave you times and I got it. Pencil. So here we go. Yes, the question is 20:05 p.m. Have you seen this? Yes or no? Just type it in the chat box. Yes or no? Congratulations, Aditi. That's so great a news. You have also got a very good rank. Congratulations. Manvik, not the answer? Say.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not saying the answer, but like in this over here, there should be hours, not like AM or PM.
That is the answer. You spoiled it. Thank you. Congratulations. Oh, Manvik has already given the answer, guys. this is not correct. Okay, so that's why when I say, have you seen this? The answer should be no, you have never seen this, because the 24-hour system never has an AM or a PM attached to it. The reason is pretty simple, that anything beyond 12 automatically takes it to the PM side. And if you are writing 13, 14, 15 or any number more than 12, then that would mean you are following the 24-hour format. Say, Advika.
Can I keep my camera off since I'm eating?
Yes, sure, no problem. So this is the time which you people have seen, or you see 20:05 hours, as Manvik said, but never an AM and a PM. Sorry, never an AM and a PM on it. Say, Tanisha.
Ma'am is saying yes that I have seen it, but you didn't get it.
Yeah, I have received it. I have received it, Tanisha. Say, Samriddhi Singh.
Ma'am, I learned this in school.
Okay, that's not a doubt, Samriddhi. Come on. I asked you to raise your hand if you have a doubt on it. Okay, so let's learn about the conversion of it. Okay, say Arnav.
Ma'am, I am also got gold medal in maths.
Congratulations, Arnav. IMO. This one looks familiar. Okay, fine. 1 second. Spilled water on my clothes. Okay, fine. So over here, if we continue, let's go to the next slide. So have a look how have I converted the time from this to this. This is the 24-hour system and this is the 12-hour system. Let's ask this to Sanya. Sanya, how have I converted this? Do you know what is the common logic?
Ma'am, Ma'am, I didn't understand the question.
From this to this.
Ma'am, because 24-hour clocks after 12 o'clock, it's like 13, 14, 15. But with the other clock, it's like after 12, 1 p.m., then 2 p.m., like that it continues. And it, ma'am, in the other clock, it also has like PM and AM, but 24-hour clock doesn't have.
No, that was not my question. Bhumik, my question is, how am I converting a 13 into 1? What is the logic I'm using?
Yeah, ma'am. What do you say?
Samriddhi, no raising hand for answering, please.
Ma'am, what do you say?
I asked you, how am I converting this 13 hours into 1 p.m.? How to do that?
You have used 13 o'clock in a 24-hour, and one is 12. One is 12.
No, Bhumik, a little confused. No worries. Advika, what's the doubt?
Ma'am, I don't have a doubt. So when I was young, I didn't know what 24-hour clock was or military time. So whenever I saw 13, 14, or those numbers on the clock, so I looked at my watch and I found the logic that whenever so I was very young at that time. So
Advika, be fast.
yes, ma'am. So I minus 2, and then so like 13 minus 2 is 11, and then I just removed the 1, so it was 1 p.m. I found out.
Got it. That's right. But yeah, the real logic for here would be minus 12. So you can subtract the time from 24 hours by subtracting it 12 and you get the answer. No changes on the minutes or seconds, okay? Like for example,
All at that time. like 5 or 7.
I never told you. I'm telling everyone else the normal way of doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now coming to some real-time Olympiad questions which you get from this chapter. So read this carefully and do this. This question demands you to do addition and subtraction both. Okay, so do that nicely. Hmm. Can you hear me now? Yeah, Bhumik, why is your hand raised? No answers.
No, ma'am, I'm not saying answer. I have answer in the chat.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Noon means 12, huh? 12.
Sorry, Arnav?
Man, noon means 12, huh? 12.
Yeah, yeah. Bhumik, I don't see you doing any, like writing any statements for the questions. Show me your copy where you have done this work. Okay, Adya, how much time does Nancy have?
Yes, ma'am.
How much time does Nancy have in this question?
Ma'am, she decided that she will wake up at 6:30
Hmm.
in the morning and she has time of.
Noon. Noon
Yes,
means
ma'am.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
How many hours does she have?
Ma'am.
Subtract and tell me, Adya, quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Muting yourself back means I'll move to other students. There are many students waiting for a chance. Janvi, how much total hours do we have?
6:30. 30. Ma'am, 1 second.
Samriddhi Srivastav.
5 hours, 30 minutes.
Remember, thank you. Remember how we subtracted it? 12 minus 630. See, there are two ways of subtracting. The first way, which we learned in the last class, that was to take the borrow from the R hand. So if I take a borrow, it becomes 11. And if I take a borrow, this becomes 60 plus 0, 60. Now 60 minus 30 is 30 and 11 minus 6 is 5. So that gives me the answer as 5 hours and 30 minutes. But you can also do that mentally, everyone. Devashri, can you tell me that if I add 30 minutes to 6:30, what will I get?
7.
7 o'clock. And then from 7 o'clock to 12 o'clock, you can directly count it as 5. That means 30 minutes from here and 5 hours from here. You can still get the answer directly by mentally doing it. So your choice is yours. You can take any method you want to. Okay. Once I'm done with this, once I'm done with this, let's go and complete the question. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in this.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so we don't minus 40, 30, and 5.
We will minus it later. When I said the answer is 5 hours, 30 minutes. First, you have to understand how much time Nancy has. Then out of the given time, she is doing other activities also. So, we have to subtract it later. Say Arnav. Oh, sorry, Advika.
Ma'am, I did a shortcut. Can I tell?
Not the answer of the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So look, and Advika, you have already got one time to answer, unmute and answer, or let's say whatever your story you told. So I want to give everyone a single chance before everyone else speaks for the second time. And this is a rule. Okay. So over here, look at this, everyone. Now the next thing which we are targeting is figuring out how much time did she spend in the other activities. So let's say Vedant, can you count out how many minutes did she spend on brushing, bathing, and having a breakfast?
Ma'am, so she took 5 minutes to brush her teeth, 30 minutes to take her bath, 40 minutes to have her breakfast before noon. 5 plus 30 plus 40. 40 plus 30 70 plus 5 75 minutes. 75 minutes equals to 1 hour 15 minutes.
Then?
Ma'am, so we should subtract 1 hour 15 minutes from 5 hours 30 minutes.
Okay. When we subtract
So,
531, 115 from 513, what do we get, Vedant?
ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, 3 hours 15 minutes.
Why 3 hours?
Wait. Yes, ma'am. 4 hours 15 minutes. 4 hours 15 minutes.
4 hours and 15 minutes. Is that okay, everyone? Say, Mishika.
Ma'am, actually you told that we have to borrow 60 seconds from the minutes hand if the seconds hand cannot subtract the given number. So ma'am, in this the second hands can take from the second hands.
Where are we taking seconds from seconds?
Sorry ma'am, can we take minutes like
Yeah,
ma'am?
yeah. I got your question. 0 to 3, right? Yeah, so you are taking a borrow over here. Correct. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
take it. Okay, fine. So the answer becomes 4 hour 15 minutes, right? Everyone is okay with this? Advika, your shortcut should be less than 10 seconds. Say.
Ma'am, so what I did is that I did 6:30 plus 10, and then that's 7 o'clock, and 40 plus 5, that's 45, so 7:45, and then yeah, so 7:45 minus, so 7:45 minus 60 is 15 minutes, so 4 hour 15 minutes I got it.
That's basically addition what you did. Okay. All right then. Everyone understood this question? 4 hour 15 minutes, or you need a explanation? All of you.
Um,
Then let's try the other question. This one is related to the money. Now here I know there are multiple international students, so you don't have to worry about that. Here you can compare it with the dollars, where just like $1 is equals to 100 cents. There's the same relationship between 1 rupee and paise. Say Arfin, Hanifa.
Can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, no need to ask them. So since you know this, let's convert it quickly. So we will do the first one with Manasvi and the second one with Manvik. Manasvi.
Like 1 rupee is equal to 100 pesos. So 15 rupees, 100 rupees. In that 1 rupee, we add 2 zeros, and in this also we have 2 zeros. So 1,500.
1,500. That's right. Manvik, come to the next one.
Ma'am, 1 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee, so 2,500 paise is equal to 25 rupees.
Okay, what did you do? You divided it by what number?
Ma'am, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee, so 2,500 paise will be 25 rupees.
Thank you. You divided it by what? That's what I'm asking.
Ma'am, 100.
Okay, thank you. That's the right answer, everyone. Any doubts? Nope. Okay. Let's go. Aradhya, what happened? You lost connection or you joined now? Okay, here's a longer conversion. So Parth Sharma, Sadhna, I need your help in this. First one will go with Parth Sharma. Second one will go with Sadhna. And others in the chat box. Parth, ready?
Yes, ma'am. Calculate.
Okay, fast, fast. 10 seconds, I'll wait. Otherwise, Mishika will take over. Mishika, you have to count for 10 seconds, okay? Once 10 seconds are over, then you tell me.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Radha, I was asking you, you joined late or you got disconnected in the middle?
Ma'am, got the answer.
Okay. Aradhya, I can't hear you. Your mic is not working. Try checking your mic. Did you unmute? I cannot hear you still. Can you try rejoin? Yeah, now I can.
Ma'am,
What
I
happened?
couldn't hear you. That's why I left my meeting.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so Parth, go ahead.
Ma'am, the answer is 2,452 paisa.
How did you do that? Did you convert all of them into paisa, then added it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is 15? 1500.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 250. And what is 7.2?
Ma'am, 702.
Thank you. Now, when we add this, what do we get?
Ma'am, 702.
Oh. How did it become 02?
Ma'am, it is 7.2.
Yeah. So 7.2 rupees into 100. We did decimals, remember? How do we multiply this?
Yes, ma'am, it
7200
will become
and then
720.
a... Yeah. Okay, then Mishika will do the remaining counting. Mishika, add the remaining numbers.
Ma'am, 4, 1 carryover and 2.
That's right. 2470.
Ma'am,
Now, Sadhna, the work is... Sorry, Mishika?
can I tell the next question?
No. Okay, Sadhna. Now your question is half done, technically. What's the answer, Sadhna?
Ma'am, the
What's it?
second one?
Yes. Have you not done it?
No, ma'am, I thought like
Oh my
you
God.
were saying like first part for part and then I should do the plus, that's why.
Come on, Sadhna. It's visible on your screen. Just use your common sense. You will get the answer. Mishika, this is the last question I'm giving you today. Go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, in this question, the answer would be same, but this is in the paisa. So we'll convert it into rupees by dividing it by 100, which is equal to 24.7.
That's right. So all you had to do, Sadhna, was to divide the previous answer by 100 because the previous answer is the same question as the current second one. So therefore, all you have to do is divide it by 100 to get the answer in rupees. That's all. Okay. All right, everyone okay with this, or you have a doubt on conversion? No? No doubts. Say Manvik, ask.
Ma'am, we can send then 24.7 as rupees 24 and 70 paise in the chat box, right?
Yeah. Arnav?
And we will add 0 after 7.
Yes, that is the same thing. So 0 after the decimal place value doesn't matter. It's like padding. Remember?
Ma'am, I have added the 0.
That's not a wrong answer. That's correct. No problem. It's not 7 paise which is left out. 0.7 means 70 paise. Okay. Now coming to another question. This is my easiest question of the day. Figure out how would you get the answer. Also remember everyone, since these questions are a little easier than the questions you have been doing before, so I would request you people to please write it as statements also if your answer is completed. Like suppose it's already done for you. You have already marked the answer. You have sent me the answer. Now, since we are waiting for others, I would request all of you to write down the steps in the chat box. That habit will help you a lot in the exams, in the school exams. Okay? So please do that. Say Bhumik.
Ma'am, I want to answer this one.
No, Bhumik. That cannot happen. I asked you one question already in the beginning of the class. I have to give others a chance. Don't you think Shivani, Hanifa, Sanika, Sadhna, Naman, these people should also get a chance? That will not be
Yeah.
fair, right?
I
Manvik,
want to
remember
just
you have not got a
multiply.
chance. Please don't raise your hand for that. Say Bhumik. Sorry, I
I
was...
want to just multiply it.
No, Bhumik. Sorry. Say Manvik, what happened? Samriddhi Singh, I did not get your answer for this question. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, I am not able to understand this question. They said
Okay.
that he has 2,500 rupees and over there have 500 people.
I cannot explain right now. That's the answer of the question. So you please wait for a while. Okay, I'm sending you people question marks. Hey, why is the answer not coming? Okay, send me like Shivani, you've got the answer. Hanifa, no answers. Okay, fine. So let's start doing this question. Aditi, can you answer this question? How did you do it?
Ma'am, Spider-Man had rupees 2,500 with him, which he wanted to distribute equally between 5,000 people. How many paisa did each person get? So, ma'am, first you have to multiply 2,500 with 100 to convert it into paisa.
Yes. So this is the first step, everyone. I multiplied it with 100 so that I can get the original value in paisa, because my final answer is how many paisa did each person get. So 250000 is the amount of paisa we are getting. Paisa, sorry, Spider-Man has. Now divided by how many people? Aditi?
5,000.
5,000. By the way, I forgot to tell you, Aditi, I love your hairstyle. Very cool.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now divided.
Ma'am, it equals to 50.
So we'll first cancel 3 zeros, and now which is left with the question 250 by 5. So that is equals to 50. That means
Mama.
every person gets 50 paise, which can also be called as half a rupee. But since they want the answer to be in paise, we will stick to option B. Thanks, Aditi. Everyone, clear? Clear? No doubts? Today I will have a rapid fire before I have a game. And in the rapid fire, the people who don't give me the right answer in the next, let's say, every person will get only 15 seconds or 10 seconds to think. Okay? If you don't give the right answer, then you will have to do something extra to be a part of the game. Okay? No rule discussion, Advika. Please, you just are interested in everything extra. What happened?
Can you just repeat it again?
No. Ha, 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 ha.
Ma'am,
The devilish Priyasha ma'am. Chocolate question number 1. Well, Advika, I said that we will be having a rapid fire today before we start the game. So if I ask you a question and you're not able to answer in 10 or 15 seconds, then you will have to do something else to be a part of the game. Otherwise, you will not be a part of the game.
Ma'am, will it be easy?
Yeah, of course. How can a person answer a very hard question in 10 seconds? So very easy conversion, but yeah, you have to tell the answer quickly.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Question number 1 on your screen, everyone. This is the first chocolate question. So do it nicely. I remember doing this question in the demo class for some reason. Yeah, it was Batman or something like that, but it was there. This question is 5 years old today. This question came in a previous year examination. This question was given by me. It got selected. Completely impractical question. Like, how can Superman fly for so many hours without even resting? But he's Superman. He can do anything. Let's go. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I clicked on wrong file. 1 second. 1 second. Here's your question again. We'll do this question, discuss this, and then go for a break. Yep, Mishika.
Ma'am, in this 17 point, like 17 is AM or PM?
Hey, we just discussed it, Mishika. 24-hour clock. I've got 71 messages. Are you serious? Say, Shivani.
Ma'am, I didn't actually understand this question.
Superman is okay. There are 2 types of explanations. One which has spoilers in it. That means if I explain it nicely, you will understand the question and answer it also. So I cannot give you the spoiler explanation. I'll give you the explanation without the spoilers. So Superman is flying. He started at a particular day, at a particular time, and he reached a particular place on a particular day, on a particular time. So that duration is what you have to calculate. And then it is mentioned that for some hours he was not flying. So you need to obviously subtract it to get the hours for which he was flying. That's all. Okay, say Ibrahim.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you told you have made this question, so how did they select it? I mean, how did they
So,
got your
see,
question?
what happens is when you do it for the big Olympiads, right? International Olympiads, what you do is just in case that there is no unfair means or like I don't suppose you are my favorite student, Ibrahim. And it's so favorite that I will say, Ibrahim, as a birthday gift, I give you these questions. These 10 questions are surely going to come in your Olympiad or your exam. So I can't do that, right? So that's why even we are not assured that our questions would come in the exam. So like I am there. So there are many other professors also, okay, who are giving questions for the Olympiad. Now what they do is the Olympiad organization, they collect questions from us. They even pay us for that. They give us money for making such good questions. And after they do that, they don't tell us whether it will get selected in the paper or not. The final deciding body is either by a lottery or by someone who decides it above us. And when the paper releases, then the teachers or the people who make questions like us get to know this, that okay, our question got selected. So it's like that.
Ma'am, how did you give them questions and took money?
I am a content writer there, so I mean I've been selected. See, I cannot take the name of the Olympiad. I'm so sorry. I have signed a non-disclosure agreement. Otherwise, you people will kidnap me, no? What
No.
before the exam you'll kidnap me and you will take me, ma'am, say the questions, otherwise I'll kidnap you. So I cannot tell you which Olympiad it is. But yeah, what we do is they like when we apply or they select us based on our merit that you have been working in this particular thing and doing this. So try to write this test or make a sample and show us how you can make questions. And when we give a test, pass it, and then make a sample, they select us from there. So there's an international Olympiad. I'll not name the country, but they in that Olympiad from India, there are only two people. One is Prasha ma'am, and the second one is a sir who is 62 years old. You know, we are the only two people from India in that entire bench, and there are around 182 teachers, come professors, and other people who make questions for these Olympiads. Out of those 182 people and their questions, there's a random selection of questions so that no student can ever know what question is going to come in the exam. Okay, stories on this later. Let's start this question. Otherwise, we'll not have time for the game at the end. Okay, so let's go. This time I like to go with Naman. Naman, half of the question you will solve. Okay. So tell me what is the duration of New York to the school, Mike's school? How
Ma'am,
many hours?
ma'am, 17 hours in Sunday and
Mm-hmm.
and 21:30 on Monday.
So when you subtract it, what do you get?
Ma'am, wait a second, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Be a bit fast. And okay, Naman, will it take more time?
Ma'am, 4 hours 30 minutes.
If I say this is wrong, then Anirudh, did you get the duration?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, so first, Sunday 17 o'clock to Monday 21:30. So total time from start to end is 24 plus 4 hours and 30 minutes, which is 28 hours and 30 minutes.
Absolutely. So, Naman, did you understand your mistake? You just subtracted these two quantities, right? You
Yes,
just
ma'am.
subtracted these two quantities.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And you got 4:30. But this is 4 hours, 30 minutes for only 17 Sunday to 9:30 Sunday. But he is reaching on a Monday. That is 1 day extra. So 24 hours more to this is equals to 28 hours and 30 minutes. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Vivek, what to do next? What's the next step? Vivek is not unmuting. Sanika?
Ma'am,
Okay. He's there. Yeah, say.
I have to add 4 hours.
Subtract.
Minus 4 hours.
Minus 4 hours. So if I subtract more hours, 4 hours, what will happen? What will be the final answer?
24 30 minutes. 24.5.
But there's no option like 24 hours, 30 minutes. Then what to select?
Ma'am is 24.5.
One. Tanya, don't eat the paper, please. Okay. Everyone is fine? No doubts? Aditi, say.
Mama, I've done it in a different way in the chat box. Can you just check?
I just saw it right now. It's absolutely fine. Correct. Okay.
Oh,
Then
okay.
next is Manvik. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, why did we just says 32.5.
30 minutes. 30 minutes, no? So if you divide 30 by 60 minutes, you will get it in hours. That is 0.5. Okay. Say enough.
We do like this. First, we get the hours in one day. We get
Yeah.
17 and then we added 4 hours.
Correct. Yeah. 24 plus 4 and 4 plus 24, same thing. Say Parth. Parth, I can't hear you. Check the mic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Amriti.
Ma'am, right now I will change my device, ma'am, because I'm going somewhere.
Okay.
Ma'am, for now, could I leave?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Say some. Okay, sorry. Parth. No, I can't hear you. Let me send you to the waiting room and bring you back if that helps. Okay. Next, let's try it. Okay, no other doubts, right? So we were planning to go for a break after this. I'll give you a break time question though this time. Here's a break time question, and this is a very smart question. Of course, you can do it by the normal way, but there is a shortcut also involved in this question if you check the options. Parth, try speaking now. Okay, no problem. Hanifa,
Yes, ma'am.
I thought that you have unmuted yourself, so I called you that you wanted to say something. No problem,
No.
Hanifa. Do this question, okay? I'll come back from the break and ask you first. So others, let's go for a break. 5 minutes from now. See you soon.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yes, Parth, I could hear you.
Yes, ma'am. I was asking that when you were doing the 24.51, your screen freezed in between. So what did you say?
Oh, the explanation, you couldn't hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that was, see, this guy started flying on a Sunday and reached on a Monday. So he started on 5 o'clock, and so Sunday 5 o'clock to Monday 5 o'clock is already 24 hours. And with this, he took another 4 hours and 30 minutes. That is 9:30. I think so. That was the time, right? Yeah. So therefore, the total time was 28 hours and 30 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
And then you subtracted 4 hours from there. So you got 20 hours, 28 hours and 30 minutes. And then you subtracted 4 from it. So you got 24 hours and 30 minutes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Say Sadhna.
Ma'am, for the second question, chocolate questions, ma'am, for paisa we can also make, because of addition, we can also make the decimal, right?
Yeah. Why not?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys, I'm going for a break now. It's 5 minutes. 2 minutes more late. Okay. See you in 5 minutes. Welcome back. All right. So let's do this question. We'll do it by two methods. Okay. Of course, the first method will be the normal method where we will continue doing this question step by step. So let's start with Hanifa. Hanifa, you're back from the break.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how you did it.
So first they told there are 10 friends among which 4 collected rupees 10 and 25 paise. I did 10.25 into 4.
You use decimals.
Yeah,
And what was your answer?
I got 41.
Yeah. So technically you would get a 4100 and then when you put 2 zeros after the decimal, you'll get 41. Thank you, Hanifa.
Yeah.
That is one method of getting this answer. The second method is when you calculate 10 into 4 separately and 25 into 4 separately. What will happen? 10 into 4 will be 40 rupees and 25 into 4 will be 100 paise. 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee. So you will add 1 rupee to 40. You can get your answer same as what Hanifa got. Thank you, Hanifa. Next, we'll go to Sanika. Sanika, how to multiply 5 into 12? What's the value which we'll be getting?
Ma'am, 5 into 12 is 60.
That means the second group, what I am getting is 60. No need to raise hand for answering a question. Ibrahim, next one is for you. Last person is 18 rupees and 65 paise, right? Ibrahim. Ibrahim is not responding. Manvik, can you add up all the numbers?
Ma'am,
Okay,
when
okay,
we
okay.
add them, we get rupees
Okay, okay, Manvik,
119.
hold on. 1 minute, I'll come back to you. Say Ibrahim.
Ma'am, just my network was not working. That's why I
Tell
left
the
the
sum
meeting.
quickly.
Yeah. Ma'am, these 60 and 41 and 80.
Yes. What's the sum?
Okay. Ma'am, 65,
Mm-hmm.
9,
Yes.
11.
Thank you.
That's all.
That gives the answer as option B. Now I'll go back to Manvik and ask him, Manvik, is there a shortcut?
Yes, ma'am, there is a shortcut, and I want to point it out that you have accidentally, I think, selected the wrong option. It is option C.
Oh, I have ticked it. Oh, yeah. It should be B. And what about the shortcut?
Ma'am, about the shortcut, when you were doing this, I got a thought in my mind that over here in paise there is only one option containing 65 paise. So thus we put C as the option.
Exactly. This is what I wanted you people to focus on, that if you see this one is giving you a whole number, this one is giving you a whole number. So the only answer which will have 65 paise in it will be your answer without even adding it. Okay. Fine, everyone. You can save some time there. Say Arnav quickly.
Ma'am, I didn't understand why do we multiply it?
Because there are 10 people. 4 of them are getting some money, 1 of them is getting some money, and 5 of them are getting some different amount of money. So we need to multiply and get what is the total money which they are collecting.
Ma'am, we will get 41.
For the first value, yes.
No,
It will
ma'am,
multi-
for whole.
No, not for whole. Only for this first part. 4 people multiplied with 10 rupees 25 paise.
Ma'am, to get the answer, we multiply it.
Yes. Like for example, 4 people have got 10 rupees and 25 paise each. So you need to know 4 people together have got how much money. That's why we multiply.
Ma'am, they are telling of one only.
The word is each. That's why you're multiplying. Okay. Let's go to the next question, everyone. This is a previous year IMO level 2 question. Level 2. Bhumik, you will do this one quickly.
Yeah, ma'am. Which question? This one. Arifa left to for school 6:26. She returned 8 hours 15 minutes later. At what time he reached home? Ma'am, we should do um eight 8 hours 16 minutes minus 6:26.
Why minus? Minus is wrong. Think about it, Bhumik. I'll come back to you. Reyanshi, can you help me in this question? Parth, raising hand for a doubt. The doubt is the answer of the question. So, okay, anyways, ask. I think you have the same doubt as I expect. Say.
Ma'am, I was asking that question B. The option B and option C are same.
I don't want to answer that. That is a tricky part of the question. Sorry. You will get to know in few seconds. Okay, Reyanshi is not responding. So we will go to Manasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer, Manasvi?
And I'm still doing.
Okay. Sanika,
Yes, ma'am.
what's the answer of this question?
Yes, ma'am. I'm still solving it.
Advika,
Yes, ma'am.
answer?
Ma'am, the answer is C.
Okay, why not B?
Sorry?
Why not B?
B. Ma'am, because in B it is not written AM or PM.
Okay. All right, say it more confidently. So everyone, look at this time. There is no AM or PM in the first case only. So when there is no AM or PM given in the question, Aradhya, the question is for you. What do we consider this clock? 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock?
Ma'am, 12-hour clock.
No. If it is not given in terms of AM and PM, then it is 24-hour clock, Aradhya. Otherwise, how would you know it's evening or it's morning 6 o'clock? Right? So when AM and PM is not given to you, people, at that very moment, you will realize that this is going to be a 24-hour clock. And if this is going to be a 24-hour clock, then you have to do addition of these two numbers, 06, 25, 08, 15, and you will be getting 14 and 40. That means she will return back at 2:40 p.m., which is equals to 14:40 in the 24-hour clock only, because the original time was also in 24-hour clock. So you will never take this correct because this is wrong according to 24-hour clock. And it's not given AM and PM, so you cannot say it is right. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, why do we add it? We can't subtract it.
She returned home after 8 hours and 15 minutes. Left for school means she left at 6 o'clock and 25 minutes and she came back home after 8 hours and 15 minutes. So that's what they are talking about. How long did she stay? When did she come back? Time. Why would you subtract, Baba? Draw the question and check. This is the home. She left the home. She went to school. Now when she went to school and then she came back, it was 8 hours and 15 minutes. She left the home at 6:25. She'll come back at 14:40, no? After adding the duration, how would you subtract something from 6 o'clock? Went to school at night or what? Say Manvik.
Ma'am, I want to thank Parth for giving me my biggest hint.
I told him. I was afraid of the same thing. That if I explain him or if I highlight that thing also, then it would help people. Say Mishika.
Ma'am, so if we imagine that 06 and 25 minutes, we imagine as 12 o'clock, then our answer will be wrong.
Not wrong, but yeah, the thing is that you have to convert your answer again. I mean, you
Yeah,
get
ma'am,
my
I did
point.
like that only because
Yeah.
I also got confused like Raja did.
Correct. Say, Mishika. Oh, sorry, Tanisha.
Ma'am, did you get my answer?
Yes, in the chat box. Say, Manvik.
Ma'am, I'm the happiest man alive right now and smiling in almost as everyone would be tired of sleeping. And they wouldn't be wanting to sleep almost.
Okay. Jokes apart, everyone. Now we are going to have an important discussion, rapid fire, as we discussed. So we'll have 26 questions. Time limit is 10 seconds for each one of you. Okay. The people who have not got a chance, no worries. Now you'll get a chance because you have to get a chance because otherwise you're not passing. Okay. For the game. Okay. So we'll be starting off. Say, Anirudh.
Ma'am, may I use the washroom?
Oh, come on, Anirudh. Go, come back fast. Okay.
Thank you.
Start first. All right. Be ready, everyone. So I'll write the question on the screen and I'll start counting silently on the screen like this so that you don't get disturbed and you can calculate. Okay, everyone? Fine? Ready? Sure? 10 seconds only, huh?
Excuse me, ma'am, we need to answer in the chat box.
Others can answer in the chat box. Yes.
Ma'am, what
but
should
other
we
people-
do? I don't understand.
I'll call one person. Like I'll start with you, Janvi. Let's say. Now I'll call you and you will be unmuted and you will be on a timer of 10 seconds and others can answer this question in the chat box.
Oh.
Easy only I'll give, of course, because you people are going to do it in 10
Ma'am.
seconds.
Ma'am, you will means write question every question.
It's just
26
normal addition subtraction.
26.
26 questions. Yes, it's a tough thing to do, but I'll do it. Let's go. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Janvi, we are starting with you. Your question is 7 hours, 32 minutes plus 3 hours, 14 minutes. Your time starts now.
10 hours, 46 minutes.
Good job. Okay, fine. Janvi, pass. Next, Samriddhi, sing. Okay, Samriddhi, would you be playing like sing? I mean, you're traveling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Samriddhi, then we'll have a question for you. Bhumik, no raising hand. Everyone will get a chance. You have a doubt? Ask.
No, ma'am, I want to answer one. Rapid
Bhumik.
one.
If you disturb me one more time, I'll not ask you a question and you will not play the game. Okay, fine. Let's go. Samriddhi Singh, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
The question is 17 rupees and 42 paise in decimals.
17.42. What do I
42
mean?
is wrong. Call it in decimals. Call it in decimals.
Ma'am,
70.
4 tenths.
0.42. I'm being lenient here, okay? Not 42. The decimals are called as 4 and 2 separately or 42 hundredth. Remember? Last topic. Okay, thank you. Pass. Hanifa, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
36 hours into minutes. Fast, Hanifa. 10 seconds, Hanifa. Okay, Advika, 5 seconds.
The answer is 1200 minutes.
That's wrong. Sanika, 5 seconds. Vedant, do me a favor. Write the names of the people who are not selected yet. Hanifa and Advika. Okay. They'll have to do something else for the participation. Sanika,
Okay.
you are not there? Did not Vedant, please write. So 5 seconds are gone. What do you think? This question is not given to you, so you will not solve it, huh? Okay. Other Vedant, write Sanika's name also. Ibrahim, 5 seconds.
Ma'am, 2160.
That's right. 2160. What you need to do is multiply it with a 60. So 36 times 6 is 216 and an extra 0. Say, Manasvi, what happened? Manasvi.
Ma'am, I was just asking spelling of minutes because I want to write in the chat box.
Oh, come on. Okay, fine. So we are done with this. Tanisha, ready? Tanisha, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
72 hours is how many days? Time's up. Manvik, 5 seconds.
Ma'am, 3 days.
Oh my God. Good job. Manvik pass. And yeah, Vedant, write down the name of Tanisha also. Anirudh, are you ready? Okay. A movie started at 7:10 and ended at 9:05. How long was the movie?
Ma'am, 1 hour 55 minutes.
Oh my goodness. Well done. Very good. Congratulations. Yes, Manasvi, say again.
Ma'am, I want to go out of station, so can I leave?
Yeah, sure. Bye. Okay. Bhumik, ready?
Yeah, ma'am. Always.
Okay.
Ready.
Always ready. So let us convert something. 27 rupees and 25 paise was given to 4 people. So how much total money was given, Bhumik? Your time now.
What to do?
Sadhna, what happened?
Ma'am, I have to go outside. Can I leave the class?
Okay, bye. Take care. Bhumik, 10 seconds. Okay, let's ask Vedant. Vedant, 5 seconds.
10,200.
Eh? No.
I should write my own name now.
Oh, yes, you should. You and Bhumik. Yash, 5 seconds. You did not do the calculation. I can see it in your face. Vedant, write Yash's name as well. Vivek, say. Don't say the answer.
Huh?
Why are you raising your hand?
Did you tell the answer?
No, I cannot allow you. Sorry. Sanya, 5 seconds.
109 rupees.
109 rupees is correct. Very good. Everyone, 27 times 4 is 108 and 25 times 4 is 100 paise, which is back to 1 rupee. So 109. Tada. Good job, Sanya. Pass. Naman, ready?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Say, Mishika.
Ma'am, in this question only.
Say. Oh, wait. Say.
Ma'am, when I multiplied, actually I got 85 rupees.
7 times 4, 28. 2, 4 times 2, 8, 9, 10. 108 rupees, Mishika.
Ma'am, when I multiplied 5 into 4, 0, 2 carry over, 0, 1 carry.
Oh, you multiplied the full number.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will get extra zeros. 2725 into 4. So 5 times 4, 20, 2, 4 to the 8, 10, 1, 7 times 4, 28, 29, 2, 4 times 2, 8, 10. Look. Then two digits after the decimals, 2 digit after the decimal.
Ma'am, I only wrote the number wrong.
Don't break your head for it. Say, Naman, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
1742 hours is what time in 12 hours? Hey, I gave you an easy question.
Ma'am, it is 5:42 p.m.
Wrong answer. Okay. Had you not said a PM, I wouldn't have given you the right answer marks. Okay, 5:42 PM is the right answer, right? Good job. Vivek, ready?
Yes.
Vivek, ready? Vivek. I had 110 rupees and I subtracted 27 rupees and 55 paise from it. How much am I left with? Everyone do it. Those who haven't got a chance, I can come to you.
2, 10 minus 2. Ma'am, 82.45 rupees.
82.45. Let's check the answer. So this is 00. This is 45 for sure. But if you're not sure, then I can show you the calculation. 10, 9, 10, 9, and 10. This is 2, this is 8, and this is the answer. Well done, Vivek. Pass. Okay. Next, we have Samriddhi Srivastav. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
45 paise were given to 8 people. How many rupees was given in total?
36. No, ma'am, wait. 36, ma'am. 36.
Sure.
3.6.
100%.
No, ma'am, 3.6.
Okay, I finalized 3.6 as your answer. And then we will do it the way we do it. 45 into 8. So 44, 8 times 4, 32, 32 plus 4, 36. 2 digits after the decimal. Thank God, 3.6. With multiple changes. Okay, done. But final answer correct. 3.6, right? Done, everyone understood? You can do it with a shortcut also. 45 paise into 40 plus 45 paise. That is equals to 90 paise. And 90 plus 90 is 180 paise. And then 180 plus 180 is 3600, like 360 paise. So you can do it like that also. Okay. Pass. Adya, ready? Oh my God, we are running short of time. 9 hours and 50 minutes was the duration of the class, and the class started at 6:15 p.m. Oh my God, this is a midnight class. When will the class get over? Who starts a 9-hour 50 minutes class at 6:15? Anyways, this is a random question I gave you. Your time starts now. Do it mentally. Do it like 10 hours, like that.
Huh?
Yeah, are they ready?
No, ma'am, I cannot hear you. My dog is jumping.
That's a bad excuse. The last time I heard an excuse was my dog ate my homework. But you are saying that I can't hear the question only. Ade, I can't repeat. I'm so sorry. We are in short of time. Let's go to Shivani. Shivani, 5 seconds.
Ma'am, the answer is 3.05.
Are you sure it's 3?
Yeah.
Oh my God, she did not fall in my trap. Well, that is correct. It's 3. There are 2 ways of doing it, everyone. Way number 1 is you approximate it as 10 hours. So you know that if it is 12 hours, it will be back to 6 o'clock, but in the morning. But it's not 12 hours. It is instead 10 hours. So 10 hours means 2 hours less than 6. That is 4 o'clock, 4:15 p.m. If it was how much? If it was 9 hours, if it was 10 hours, but it is 10 minutes less than 10 hours. I think your answer is wrong. Yes, your answer is wrong, Shivani. Vedant, you're writing the names, right? Okay, so they were Shri.
Ma'am,
5
I should write
seconds.
Shivani's name, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
8 hours 25 minutes.
How much?
8
hours?
hours 25 minutes.
No, you're making the class longer. You're adding 2 more hours to 12. Parth Sharma, 5 seconds. Bhumik, you've already got a chance. Don't raise your hand. This boy is starting. Hey, you're talking on mute. Arey, this guy started doing it now. Janvi, next. Vedant, write Parth's name also.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. My name is Priyasha Das. I live in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I teach mathematics. Aditi. Next.
Ma'am, 4 hours 5 minutes.
Oh my God. 4 hours, 5 minutes. Nahi. Time पूछा है मैंने. I asked you the time, not the duration that you will tell me in hours. Tell me AM, PM, Aditi.
Ma'am, 4:05 a.m.
Who does a class at that time? But anyways, 4:05 a.m. Look at the shortcut, guys. Okay, I'm telling this mentally, and do not worry. I mean, we will have a game, so don't worry about that. 4:05 a.m. Okay, look at this. How did we get this? There are 2 ways to get this. I would recommend you the mental math one. The mental math one is if someone told you 6:15 p.m. and a 12-hour class. So 12-hour class is straight same time AM. You all know this, right? What if I say, no, not 12 hours, 10 hours class? So you'll be like, okay, I'll subtract 2 hours from here. I'll get 4:15 a.m. But then you're like, no, not even 10 hours class, 10 minutes more less. So 10 minutes, you're like, okay, 10 minutes less than here. So you directly bump across 4:05 a.m. This is the fastest way you can do it. Okay.
And there is one more way also.
Yeah, adding it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that by adding it. Okay. So if you add everyone, there is a quick shortcut. That is a confusion. Okay. That is the confusion. What is the confusion? The confusion is that here 9 plus, like let's say 6 is going to give you 15. And the moment you see 15 hours, you will be like, ma'am, it can be 3 o'clock. But don't worry. 50 plus 15 is more than 65. So that 60 will carry over here and you will get the time as 16:05. But don't fall in trap. This is not PM. So this is just to do it faster. That if it is 16, then it has to be 4 o'clock. Understood? Don't get confused. Stay here. Okay, who all have not got a chance since I put it complete?
Ma'am, I didn't got.
So you are getting a free discount because I was not able to give you entire question. You get a discount of getting a participation for free.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I want to
And
do
those
question.
whose names I have written, Vedant, next class, write it, keep it ready by typing. I will give these people some hard questions to do in the class. Okay? Fine.
Ma'am, I
Wait,
want to
no.
do question.
Sorry, Arnav. You don't want game then?
Huh?
You don't want game then?
No, ma'am. We want to play game.
Yeah.
Ma'am, battle.
What did you say? Last class we played crypto hack, right?
Ma'am, can we play please battle? Please?
Battle Royale will not be possible. You look at the time right now. I am just going to, you played Gold Quest last class.
Yes,
Or-
ma'am.
Okay, so today we'll play crypto hack. And that will be only for 4 minutes. So we have to run fast. Okay?
And do you
Okay,
have class?
sorry. One by
Do
one.
you have class, ma'am?
Yes, 9:30. I have a class at 9:30, so I have to anyways leave you before that. Okay? Say
Will you see the accuracy?
no. After the game, we all will say bye-bye and we'll go. Give me a minute. 4 minutes. Done. Yeah, this is done. And come to the main chat, everyone. Main chat where there are 3 heads. Say Devashri.
The ones who got wrong by this 26 questions, are they also on the list or are they not on the
Yes,
list?
yes, you guys can play. I mean, there's no problem in playing. This was just to create a FOMO at that time. But yeah, I mean, don't worry. This is completely fine. You all can play. That's not a concern. We don't have time to give you a redemption question, so you get the benefit. Say, Sanika.
Ma'am, do we have a class next Monday?
Yes. Next Monday, next Wednesday, Friday, you have a class. The classes the days when you don't have a class is 30th June and 2nd July.
Ma'am, after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yes, Arnav. Say, Mishika.
Ma'am, so you were just scaring us.
Yes. Technically, I thought that if I would finish it, then I'll give you people extra questions, but we couldn't do that. Say, Bhumi.
Ma'am, give us link of crypto.
I have already given you the link of Crypto Hack. It's in the chat box. You can't see it? Bhumik? I can't see you also in the chat.
Ma'am.
Got it? Okay,
Ma'am, I
fine.
can see. I can see.
Okay. Start, everyone. Let's go.
I'm not that person.
It's okay. You can join in the middle anytime. No problem.
Ma'am, are you also playing?
No, I'm not playing. I'll be commentating. Let me see who gets the points first. Crypto Hack also takes
Golden
time
chicken,
to
please
load.
play.
Winning Chicken is my
Golden
name.
chicken.
You make me
Winning chicken,
golden.
please play.
Not today, next week. Next coming week.
Oh no. Ma'am, today I will keep my name winning chicken.
Okay, done. The
Winning
game has
chicken
already
boomer.
started, Bhumik. Speed up.
Oh no. Oh my god. I will add somebody.
Okay, today I'm writing the homework in the chat and I'll also ask Olympiad Success to send you on WhatsApp. There will be a test and an exercise of time and money which you have to do, okay?
God. Then I keep my name God.
Okay. You have left with only 2 minutes, Mr. God. Do it fast.
Ma'am, Anirudh.
Yeah, Anirudh, what? You hacked them? Oh, wow.
Yeah. Ma'am, I hacked God. What?
God is this guy only, Bhumik.
Moment. Oh, it's not working. Oh, no.
Okay, I think we are left with 30 seconds. Sanika is at the top with 8,843. Sanya is at the second place and Manvik is at the third place. No longer. Manvik has been hacked by someone probably. And Anirudh is at the third place. People are hacking so successfully. I'm happy to see that. Okay, last 10 seconds, everyone. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Let's see the final showdown. Who's gonna get what? Here we have third place Sanya, second place Sanika, and first place is Anirudh. Congratulations. I'm just sliding down the screen, so don't ask your accuracy separately. Okay. Yeah, Mishika, say no talking about the game.
Ma'am, can I ask Tanisha what was the password?
Oh, come on.
Please.
Okay. Fine. Guys, listen, please carefully. I have sent you the link in the main chat. I will also ask Olympiad Success to send it to you on WhatsApp, okay? And don't get confused. Classes are there in the next week. The only 2 classes which you guys will be missing from maths would be 30th of June and 2nd of July, okay? That is Monday and Wednesday.
Ma'am, what is homework?
Homework is in the chat box. 2 things, time and money exercise and time and money test, okay?
Test. Direct.
Very easy, very simple. Okay,
ma'am.
Sanya, say quickly. No, nothing about the game, please. Say.
It's about the game, ma'am.
No, Advika, say.
Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am, class was good and bye.
Thank you. All right, last question. How was
Bye,
the class?
ma'am.
And say
Ma'am,
bye
it
bye.
was good.
Ma'am,
Thank
yaar,
you.
it was
Bye-bye.
amazing. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.